Unlock your potential with a comprehensive suite of investing tools and expert education with GammaEdge. Start your free 14-day trial today.
Good morning, traders. This is Michael coming to you from GammaEdge on Monday, November 13th with our pre-market morning strategy and briefing session. We're going to go ahead and jump right into the SPX PM settled. SPX PM settled. Obviously here we want to identify transition first. 4,400 to 43.95 will be extremely important today, as we have P-trans and N-trans, a very narrow transition. This will allow us a definitive, unambiguous trading plan as we head into today. Any pullback into this level, I'm looking for an opportunity to get involved on the long side, as long as tick is confirming that we are still having buying versus selling, which we did see on Friday. We had a nice tick reversal, which reversed to the upside. Tag combos were reviewed this morning in the SPX PBI BMO channel, as well as the market status, so make sure you're checking that out. The spot price, we closed at 44.15 here, just under that 44.20, which will be an important level as we head into today. If we do capture this 44.20, I am anticipating a move up towards this 44.40, and then moving up above that, the upward process will probably slow down slightly as we see the negative net deltas come in. Out of the money call speculation dries up and drops off pretty significantly there. We'll be watching the vol and vol D command throughout the day to see if we do see out of the money call speculators come in and continue to fill in these levels above us. Again, to the downside, I'd be watching that N-trans at 43.95. And then below that, obviously, we have 43.80, 43.75, and then that drops off pretty quickly. We are call dominated on both panes in the money, right-hand pane, left-hand pane, which we are call dominated above and below spot price. So that is a bullish structure and a supportive type structure on any pullbacks with market, with price in the market. We'll go ahead and look at the expiry for the rest of the week. I'll go ahead and click those on versus the web app. So all expiry is turned on for the rest of the week. Transition stays the same, which is great. Unambiguous there, narrow transition. We do see, again, in the money and out of the money call dominated. Significant call speculation continues to ramp up above 44.40, which is great. We like to see this continue to build up and out and through time into Friday, and then on out into all expiries. That gives us the confidence that we could have a possible continuation move up in the overall market structure. Again, any pullback, we have in the money calls below spot price, and then transition, we do have the negative net GEX come in. Make sure you're looking at the net OI though, understanding the magnitude of the calls versus puts as we pull back. Again, you see that drops off pretty significantly there at 43.85. And then really not much until we ramp up down towards this 43.50. But again, in the money call spec or in the money calls below us will be supportive unless we start see mechanical closing, as mechanical opening and closing of any type of options does swamp the second and third order Greeks. So make sure you're watching that throughout the day via the vol and vol D command, and then post market understanding the OI charts that we have. So again, takeaway, call dominated, supportive type market environment to get involved as long as tick is confirming, and then we'll look for any pullbacks towards that 4,400. That's been a significant TA level. So again, TA and gamma and delta all kind of confirming with the trajectory down towards that 4,400 on pullback, and then above 44.20 looking for 44.40 on the move up. As we stated, the tick, we did get a new tick signal heading into today. We did cross back up all the moving averages. We'd like to see this continue to expand. We are above or are below the colored ribbon still, which is the total market model is off. We'd like to see these new highs start outpacing new lows, which gives us a good market breadth look, and this filtered tick start to go from lower left to upper right. Again, like to see the cumulative tick staying above zero, so we'll see how that plays out today. ARCX market model, again, we'd like to see this continue to the upside. We'd like to see all the moving averages start stacking in the proper order, and then once the CT starts getting above the colored moving averages, these will turn to a positive slope, which will give us some more confidence that we're going to have possible upward movement in the overall market. You can see the price action. It was nice to see that reversal really midday. We discussed this in open mic last night. That's all been posted in hashtag media. We like to see a intraday, midday reversal, really more than just at the open. But a significant intraday, midday reversal can lead to multiple days. Again, all TBD, to be determined, as the tick really is not a forward-looking. It's just an instantaneous snapshot of what is happening with the buyers and sellers in the market at that time. Pre-market price action, watching 440 on this SPY. It's been rejected multiple times here pre-market. Same thing kind of with QQQ. We've moved up towards 378. rejection multiple times kind of this morning, so I'll be watching that pre-market high, pre-market low to see how this kind of plays out. We're really kind of stuck between multiple levels here. SPY COIs overhead, then plus GEX. Then we have COTMP for Qs right below us, so really that's an important level. Many times we see monetization right after the open. If we'll see those out of the money puts go in the money, and we'll see that drop below, and then we'll see some monetization and price will rise back above. IWM still weak. We do have COTMP just below us at that 168.06. We'll see how that plays out today. And then heading into today, 4,400 be important. Transition obviously on the 0DT important today, 43.95, 4,400. And then overhead, we're watching that 44.40, 44.20 first, and then 44.40 as we head into today. P-Trans to PGEX portfolio. We entered Boeing on Friday. Nice gap up so far today. As I discussed in the P-Trans to PGEX channel, we were extremely close to plus GEX when we entered, so really the gains were not going to be very significant. But again, make sure you want to look at that. Obviously, we do not know where these stocks go or where they're going to go, so we really can't forecast that. We just mechanically take the opens, the triggers open to close. Again, we had significant backtesting posted by Paul this weekend. Paul and I reviewed it and continued to go back and forth. All of Open Mic last night was basically discussing our P-Trans to PGEX portfolio, the outcomes we're seeing, the backtesting and forward testing that we're doing with real-time money. So make sure you're reviewing that. It really is the utmost importance as a base strategy really for your whole portfolio. So if BA closes above plus GEX, we'll close it today. We had a 197 or 8 entry on Friday, so it'll be a nice little maybe 1 or 2% gain heading into today. So this is a portfolio. Again, that's all in the hashtag P-Trans to PGEX portfolio channel. Make sure you're checking that out. So hopefully that helps everybody. Let's make it a great Monday, and we'll see you in the Discord in a few minutes. Thanks.